Hello learners. Let's do a quick recap on time chapter. So very first thing is how to convert hour, minutes and second. So we know that 60 seconds equals to 1 minute and 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. If we need to convert seconds into minute, we need to divide by 60. And if we need to convert minute into seconds, we need to multiply by 60. Same, if we need to convert minutes into hour, we need to divide by 60. Same, if we need to convert minutes into hours, we need to divide by 60. And if we need to convert hours into minutes, we need to multiply by 60. It's just opposite multiplication and division. Let's solve some examples. How many minutes are there in 120 seconds? That's mean you are converting seconds into minutes. So we need to divide 120 seconds by 60. That is 120 divided by 60 equals 2 minutes. Another example. Convert 5 minutes to seconds. Here we are converting minutes to second. So we need to multiply 5 by 60. That is 5 times 60. That will be equal to 300 seconds. That's mean in 5 minutes there are 300 seconds. Another example. Convert 60 minutes to hour. Here we need to convert minute into hour. And we know to convert minute into hour, we need to divide by 60. So here 60 minutes is going to divide it by 60. 60 minutes divided by 60 equals 1 hour. That means 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Let's see another example. How many minutes are there in 3 hours? So in this question, we are converting hour into minutes. That means we have to convert 3 hours into minutes. To convert hour into minute, we need to multiply by 60. Means here 3 hours multiplied by 60. That equals to 180. That's mean in 3 hours there are 180 minutes. Today we shall learn about time interval. Let us begin. What do we mean by time interval? The time taken to carry out any activity is called the time interval. Let's understand it better with the help of few examples. Firstly, let us learn about the interval of whole hour. Example, Rita went to the market at 9 a.m. She returned home at 12 noon. How many hours did she spend shopping? In order to find the time interval, we count forward from the starting time of the activity till the ending time of the activity, or we count backward from the ending time to the starting time. So here let us count forward at an interval of 1 hour. From the starting time 9 a.m. So on counting 1 hour from 9 a.m., we reach 10 a.m. Then 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. is next hour, and 1 hour from 11 a.m. to 12 noon, which is ending time. So here we skip counting thrice at an interval of 1 and got the answer as 1 times 3 equals 3 hours. Now, let us count backward at the interval of 1 hour, that is from the ending time 12 noon to the starting time 9 a.m. So on counting backward 1 hour from 12 noon, we reach 11 a.m. Then 11 a.m. to 10 a.m. Lastly, 10 a.m. to 9 a.m. Here too we skip counting thrice at an interval of an hour and got an answer 1 times 3 equal to 3. Did you notice counting backward or forward give the same answer? Thus, we say Rita spent 3 hours shopping. Now, let us learn about interval at 5 or 5 minutes. Let us solve an example. Aman started from his home at 8:15 a.m. for school. He reached his school at 8:45 a.m. How much time did he take to reach school? Here we shall count forward, but this time the time interval for each count would be 5 minutes from the starting time 8:15 a.m. So on counting forward by 5 minutes from 8:15 a.m. we reach 8:20 a.m. Now from 8:20 a.m. to 8:25 a.m. Then to 8:30 a.m. 8:35 a.m. 8:40 a.m. and lastly the ending time 8:45 a.m. So here we skip counted 6 times at an interval of 5 minutes. Thus, we get an answer as 6 times 5 equals to 30 minutes. So the answer is Aman took 30 minutes to reach his school. Let us learn about time interval of hour and minute. To understand in a better way, just solve an example. Raimund took an art lesson from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. For how long did her lesson last? We shall follow 2 easy steps to get the answers. Step 1. We know that 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. gives 1 hour. That is what we are doing, count time in hours. Step 2. Count times in minutes. Here, on counting the minutes from 5 p.m. to ending time 5:30 p.m., we get 30 minutes. So, here from step 1 and step 2, we get the total time as 1 hour 30 minutes. Thus, we say Raimer's lesson lasted for 1 hour 30 minutes. Lastly, let us learn to calculate the time interval by another method using examples. Jack's favorite television show starts at 3:30 p.m. It ends at 4:30 p.m. what is the duration of the show. So here the information given is the starting time of the show is 3:30 p.m. and the ending time of the show is 4:30 p.m. Now to solve this we shall follow the few steps. Step 1. Count time till the nearest hour. So on counting to the nearest hour, that is 4 p.m., we get the time as 30 minutes. Step 2. Count time from 4 to 4:30. So here on counting, we get an answer 30 minutes. So here from step 1 and step 2, we get the total time equals 30 minutes plus 30 minutes, that is equal to 60 minutes. But we all know 60 minutes equals 1 hour. Thus we get an answer as 1 hour. Hence, the duration of the TV show was 1 hour. Learners, wasn't it fun learning about time interval? That's all for today. Happy learning. See you tomorrow. Bye.